that time. Playoff push, let's go.
There's nothing more than I love than going out here each and every Sunday with you guys.
Let's go take what's ours. Let's take what's ours. Let's play together.
You gotta believe so much. Let's come off that ball, knock the back. Let's go, man. Let's go.
First and goal from the 1, 3 tight ends, 2 to the right, I formation behind Cousins, fakes a toss to Cook, passes to the end zone. Touchdown! Irv Smith back of the end zone.
Slide down. Slide down.
There it is, how to be Irv.
Great job, baby. Let it work. Keep doing your thing, baby.
Swerving.
There you go, number 2.
Yes, sir. Let's go, baby.
He's going to hand the ball off to Gordon, encountered by Mike Hughes. He dropped the ball. He fumbled the ball at the 11. It's Vikings ball, is it? Is it? Yes, it is!
That's out here.
Phillip, shotgun, about to be hit, loops it over the middle, intercepted by Harrison Smith at the 49. And the Vikings have turned over the Chargers twice.
There we go.
Rivers shotgun, 2nd and 2 from the Vikings, 26, 23 seconds to go in the first half. Back to pass, he dropped the ball, bouncing around. And picked up by the Vikings. And Vonnie Odenabo has it. He's to the 50, to the 40, and Vonnie Odenabo is loose. Touchdown!
So 1st and goal.
From the 8, Cousins under center. Handoff goes to Boone, up the middle to the 5. Boone to the end zone, touchdown! That is Mike Boone's first National Football League touchdown.
First touchdown ball, baby. Happy for you, baby. Yeah. We need more, though.
Oh, yeah, we ain't done. We ain't done.
3rd and goal from the 2. Irv Smith Jr. in motion, I formation, handoff, Boone. And it's 2 for Boone!